We have a kind of bad connection here. The work they did here, the pipe got broken inside the wall, so I have to work on it and to rectify it again. So most of these job, they are subject to rectification. So before, this is where I connected this one, but the pipe as it is bad. It's leaking, so I have to block it. Now I want to use my outlets from here. So I'm going to connect this and I'm going to condemn this one. This one is as good as condemned, we can't use it again. What I'm going to remove is this nipple, this white nipple, so that I will use it to connect back to this place. So I'm going to create another connection joints on this plumbing so as to connect with this, because this is a 3/4, while this is 1/2 inch. I have with me here the proper connection to it, which is the 1/2 inch. It has fit in, so that is it. So I'm going to detach this nipple. So as it is, I have detached the nipple. This one is condemned, so we'll throw it off. And if you can see before, I've connected this one before to this place. Like I told you, the water was leaking from here, so I have to change it. So for me to change it, I have to cut off this one. It was like this before, I have to cut it off. So this one too is condemned. See? So if a job is not properly done, that's how things will be condemning, and you'll be spending double the amount of what you have felt you've spent before to solve the problem. So let's do the connection of this one so as to connect with this to supply water into this wash hand basin. So you can see I've reconnected it. I've done the connection and it's going straight up. I did this one formerly here before, but now I have replaced it and I have blocked this place. So I want the gum to dry, then later I will release the water to see if there is any leakage.